Welcome everybody back to Boost in Motion, guys. And today, I want to talk to you guys a little bit. I want to talk to my Nissan Infiniti community. I think we're gonna see so much VR30 swapped everything. Like everything is gonna be VR30 swapped in the next 5 years. And I'm gonna talk about it right now. Hit that intro. Welcome everybody back to Boost in Motion, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Thank you. Welcome everybody back. Welcome everybody back to the channel. Much love, and I appreciate you guys. And my Boost in Motion family, I already know you guys already hit the like button because y'all support your boy Boost. So thank you guys, and I appreciate you. And if you're new to the Boost in Motion channel, please watch this video. And if you enjoy this content, hit the subscribe button with the bell notification button and share. So quickly, right? Anybody been in this VR30, Q50, Q60, Nissan Infiniti world, but just mainly the VR world. We've been seeing more and more people swapping the VR30, the twin turbo motor that's in a new Nissan Z, but it's also been in the Q50, Q60 into other Nissan vehicles from G35s, in this case, a 350Z. I've already seen it being swapped into a G37. I haven't seen a 370Z yet, but I've also seen other people in 240. I saw somebody talking about putting in a 240. Nonetheless, right? Why is this? Why should you guys even care about this? Like, why? Why should you care? The reason being is, right? We're at that point in this platform where it would just makes more sense to buy a motor that's already boosted than to go through the headaches of boosting a VQ or a KA motor or whatever other Nissan Infiniti motor that exists. And because these cars are super cookie cutter, where what I mean is you just take it in one car and put it in the next, and there's not much modification just to get the motor in, it's going to be much more common. And I've been seeing it more and more. They put it in a Q50 that claps up all the time. People crash these 300 horsepower cars. So it's plentiful. You can find these motors relatively easy. And because there's so much aftermarket support, enough support and tuning, they can get it done. So this is a 350Z. Someone swapped it, and pretty much, well, the VR Swap Z has been screwing with the people. Listen, once you get these cars up and running, I've already, was it Elite Performance with Bentley, and they have like a drift G35, and they converted it air to air. And the car makes good power on stock turbos, really good power, even more power than a regular Q50 Q60, because a regular Q50 Q60s use air to water. You know, look at this one, still has air to water, but there's more performance that they can actually increase it. I've even seen pictures, or at least pictures of someone who VR30 swapped their 3.7. Like, they just Q50. They're like, I don't want the 3.7 anymore. I'm just going to go with the VR. People are doing these modifications, right? And this is where I think Infiniti really messed up. And what I mean by that is, right, you see how like BMW, if you went to BMW, right, they have their B58 and everything. And most companies do this. They cross-pollinate. They put the same motor in a lot of cars because they know how to work on it. But for some strange reason, Infiniti said to themselves, we're not going to put the VR30 in our other vehicles. You did it before, but we're not going to do it. I guess cost cutting, something. Or let's just go with these crossover vehicles. But if they would have just done it, right, it would have just been a better outcome for them. Because they weren't thinking, I'm sorry I'm coming at Infiniti guys here, but for my people that are watching, if they would have put the VR30 in their QX50, QX55, QX60, right, and just put these motors in there. Most of you guys, when they got a Q60, they like the car as a two-door. You boom, boom, you make a kid. Man, I need something with a bit more room. All right, you get a Q50 because it has 4 doors. Boom, pop out another kid. Man, all right, now we right around we need a little bit more room. Boom, the QX55. You would have been able to still change the image of the car, went with a bigger crossover, right, with more space, still had the performance outcome, and to satisfy all your needs. Not everybody would have wanted to get the VR30 in their QX55 because majority of people don't care about the performance. But nonetheless, they could have had two different tiers. They would have had more of the sport version with the VR30 and the regular Journey or premium that would have came with the 2-liter turbo motor. They could have definitely done that, but they chose not to. But knowing that it's such a cookie cutter modification that in the future, guys, you guys are going to see more and more of this. You're going to see more and more of this moving forward. And best believe it's affordable. Should you boost your 3.7 or 3.5? You could. You can do it for relatively pretty cheap. Or you can go with a fresh 30, 40, 50,000 mile motor with 2 turbochargers on it already and just figure out the ECU part. It's really just the electrical you got to figure out. Everything else from the mounting is really the easiest parts. But once you got the electrical engine harness set up, you're good to go. And then you tune the car. Some of these guys are doing full ECU swaps too. So nonetheless, this stuff can get done. And I think it's something that we're going to continue to see in this platform. Not only in a new Nissan Z that's out there, but it's going to cross-pollinate to all the other Nissan Infiniti vehicles. And best believe you're going to see some VR30 swap 240s. You're going to, I even know some of these cars you already LS swap because, LSs are relatively cheap to put in there. Or you can go with a $2,000, $3,000 motor with 2 turbos and it's manual and you're already boosted. You could go with pure turbos. You can go with a large single turbo. There's just and there's a hell of a torque in it. The applications are endless without so much of the headache. You know what I'm saying? But nonetheless, guys, just wanted to quickly rant with you guys in a positive way. I think we're headed to a really good future of seeing these engine swaps of the VR30. And I think it's only going to continue to cement itself in the automotive industry, at least in our industry, in the car enthusiast industry, that the VR30 deserves a place, and its place is pretty much getting set in stone. So outside that, guys, you have a good morning, good afternoon, good night. Thank you for banging with your boy Boost. Comment below, tell me if I'm wrong. Comment below, tell me if I'm right. It is what it is. I appreciate you guys. You already know what to do. Hit the like button. Thank you, guys. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Do appreciate you guys. Love you guys very much. You can also check out the 2 links I posted for some of my other videos. Also, on top of that, if you want to purchase some boostinmotion merch, definitely check the link that I posted also. And finally, if you've been watching all my videos and you enjoy them, please hit the link to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.